Day 5 had us travel 91 miles southeast to San Ignacio to see the mission.
I was just waving this all through.
Did anybody else get checked? Negative. Excellent. Lauren told them we had dinner reservations. Go down around the corner, you'll see the little town of San Ignacio to your right, and all the date palms.
In 1/2 mile, make a sharp right turn on unpaved road.
You might see it right.
So we're making a right-hand turn.
You see an RV park somewhere like right there?
Yep.
Yeah, right down there. That's where we're going.
Rice and beans.
No way. Oh, it does say it.
Thought I was joking.
No, I remember her saying it. I was thinking, rice and beans. Oh, but the margaritas and all the girls. Yeah, margaritas.
Down into the bottom parking lot. That's where the RV sites are. Typically, we normally wait here and we park all you guys, but because we want to hook up or unhook quickly, we're going to park first. As soon as we get our trailer back in, I'll call you guys down. So where we are right now, number 1, can you just stop here?
Okay, 1, 2, and 3, you can all come down.
Of course.